guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to be tying this beautiful and simple head wrap. So if you like to tie your head wrap by yourself without no hustle and struggling, guys, you have got this one. I got this one for you. This is very simple and you can do it in less than 5 minutes. So let me dive into the tutorial and see what I'm talking about. So my material for today is a 3 layers joined together Aso-oke material, and the division is going to be 10/90, which means one part is going to be very short while the other is going to be 90, which is going to be longer obviously than the 10 part. Is that clear? So we're going to put that material on the head like I displayed on the screen right now. You can see the shorter part. Definitely the other part is longer, right? Now we're going to make that pleat gently. Biko no. When you want to make your pleat, make it gently. Like, don't rush it. And make sure when you make your pleat, you trace it to the level of your hair. That makes it neat and makes it pop out, right? So I'm going to make 3 pleats as my foundational pleats. As a beginner, I don't know what is your business about making lots of pleats. You are a beginner, do you remember? So you're going to make beautiful 3 pleats. Or 2 is even fine, but if you can go for 3, perfect. So I just made 3 pleats, beautifully made, and I have arranged it to the level of my hair before I go to the back to proceed with the placement. So that is the shorter part, which is the 10 part. I dipped it inside. Then I'm going to bring the longer part on it very firm, because I'm not securing with pin there. So very firm. While I'm at that, I'm still finding if I'm going to find a place to adjust on my pleat, which I didn't find. I think it is perfect, so I went ahead and twist the 90 part of the material. So I place it immediately after the last pleat. Don't pleat it at the don't place your twist on top of the pleat immediately after the pleat, the last pleat. So I twisted, and when I got here, you can see I crossed the twist to make, like, I don't know, double twists. Do you understand? So focus your eyes right here and see what I mean by that. So I made it double twist, then I pull out the excess right here. So this angle is going to be stretched down to meet one of the pleats, grab a pin, and I secure it down. This thing is very simple. Only when you are calm with it and your mind is like, I'm gonna do this, right? So once that is pinned down, just 1 pin and I'm fine. But you can use 2 pins to be double sure. So I'm going to stretch the fabric that I have at the side, stretch the angle down and secure down with your pin. I have the other angle and I'm going to repeat the same thing. Stretch the angle down and pick a pin to secure it. While I at that, still use your hand to be, puff up, adjust. Very important to give you your desired shape, so you don't pin more than what you should. So I'm going to direct it like this and pin down. So I think I'm done pinning, and now you don't finish pinning and you feel you are done. No, I'm going to come back, take my time, adjust. I love to push my gilly to show my hairline, so if you love it, you can do it. Some people don't like it, but you are missing a lot, trust me, because this adds to the beauty of your head wrap and your face. It makes it pop up. If you don't know, that is a tip. So I'm finally done here, and I'll say this is a final result, and it's so amazing. Very simple to do for a beginner. So if you have watched this length, I believe you have learned 1 or 2 things. If you have, drop me a thank you in the comment section. Like, I love that thank you. Drop it, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.